Hello, Buena Vista boys and girls. It is your first grade teachers here again, Miss Gran and Miss Cisco, and we have another math lesson for you today.
Our goal today is I can add a pair of two-digit numbers.
All right, let's go ahead and warm up our brains. We are going to, on this one, we're going to be adding two numbers. So when we add two numbers, what number do we start with? Do we start with a smaller number or the bigger number? What do you think, Miss Graham?
The bigger number.
The bigger number. We always start with a bigger number. And remember, we put the bigger number in our head when we're counting on, right? So if we had 8 plus 2, we would start with the 8 because it's a bigger number. So you would put 8 in your head, and then you'd count up. 8, 9, 10. See that? So I just added 2 more to 8, and we got 10 is our answer. So let's get started. All right, we have 3 plus 7. What is the bigger number?
7.
7's our bigger number, so let's put it in our head. 7, we're counting up 3. 8, 9, 10.
10.
The answer is 10. Yes, correct. All right, next one is 4 plus 2. What is the bigger number, 4 or 2?
4.
4, yes. Okay, we put 4 in our heads. 4, count up. 5, 6.
6.
Awesome. Okay, this is the last one we're going to help you with, and then we're going to let you do this on your own, okay? So 3 plus 8, what is the bigger number?
I think it's 8.
8 is a bigger number, yes, Miss Grimm. So put 8 in your head and add up. Add 3 more. 8, 9, 10, 11. Very good. All right, boys and girls, you got this. 7 plus 2 is 9. What is 1 plus 8? It's 9. 7 plus 4? 11. 0 plus 9? 9. 5 plus 5? 10. 9 plus 3? 12. And your last one, 2 plus 0? 2. Very good, boys and girls. We warmed up our brain.
All right, so now we are going to practice some problems that you will see on your homework. You also practiced these in our video from yesterday. So we are going to actually look at some Zern problems. If you've been looking at Zern, you might have seen this before. All right, so we are going to be solving 25 plus 14. The first step says show 25. How many 10s are there in that number, Miss Cisco?
I see 2 10s.
2 10s. And how many 1s?
I see 5 1s.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. You got it.
Awesome.
All right, so now we have our 25, and we are going to be adding 14. How many 10s are in the number 14?
I see 1 10.
1 10. And how many 1s?
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Let's check. Great job.
Woohoo!
All right, so now it says to break apart the 14 into 10s and 1s. So remember, when we are adding two-digit numbers, sometimes it's a lot easier if we break it apart into 10s and 1s, because we can quickly add a 10 to our other number. So we're going to break apart the smaller number, which is 14. How many 10s are in the number 14?
I see 1 10. Looking at the picture.
1 10. So 1 10 is equal to 10 1. So we're going to put a 10 in this box. And how many 1s do you see?
1, 2, 3, 4. I counted up 4.
4 ones and the number 14. So 14 was our orange one. So we have a 10 and a 4. Nice. So 25 plus 10 is what? So we have 25, which is our purple, plus 10 more.
I see 3 tens. So I
Put a
think it
3 in
starts
the
with a
tens place.
3, and then we're adding the purple ones, so 5 ones, so 35.
35. So all we did was we just counted this 10, and this 10, and this 10, and these purple ones. All right, so now we are going to add our leftover ones. So we have 35 here, and we need to add these 4 ones. So 35 plus 4 equals what?
35 plus 4, I'm going to count on. So 35, 36, 37, 38, 39.
Great job. 39. Good work.
Awesome.
So let's do one more. So 25 plus 14. They've already broken it down for us. So 14.
Yeah, this was the problem we just worked on. So I guess all we need to do is put the answer back in the top, the original.
That's right. We solved all of this work, but we can't forget to go back and plug in our answer to the original problem, 25 plus 14. So if 35 plus 4 equals 39, what does 25 plus 14 equal?
39.
39. Great job. Awesome work. All right, we'll do one more. We're going to show 13. So 13 has 1 10 and 3 1s. There we go. And we are adding 14. So 13 plus 14, let's add 1 10 and 4 1s. All right, so in this case, the smaller number is 13, and it's the first number. So how many 10s are in 13? The purple one. We have 1 10.
Yes, 1 10.
Which is equal to 10. And how many ones do we have?
3.
3 ones. Great. So 13 is 10 and 3. So 13 plus 14 equals what?
I see. I'm looking at 2 groups of 10, so I'm going to say the number starts with 2. And then I'm going to add up our ones, 3 there and 4 there, which is 7. So 27.
Great. We have 2 10s and 7 ones, which means it's 27. Awesome work.
All right, boys and girls, on the next slide, you are going to see your homework for Thursday, okay? So you're going to come back here Thursday, and you are going to copy this homework or pause the video and work on the homework while you're looking at the video. So right here, we've got 2 slides. This is the first slide with the first 4 problems, and then the next slide has 4 more problems that we want you to work on. So if you'll notice on number 1A, they did a lot of the work for you. So the problem is 18 plus 13. They broke 13 apart in a number bond to be 10 plus 3. Okay, so then you're going to go, do you see the number sentences, how they added 18 plus 10 first? From 18 from the number sentence, and then 10 from the number bond. 18 plus 10 is 28. And then they took that 28 and they added the leftover ones from the number bond. That's 3. 28 plus 3 is 31. And if you'll notice, the box that the answer with the box in it, that's the answer we're going to take and plug back into the original sentence. So 28 plus 3 equals 31 is the same thing as saying 18 plus 13 equals 31.
Yes, and remember, if you need to draw out your 10s and 1s, they have left plenty of space for you to do that on each problem. So please use that space and draw it if you need to.
Mm-hmm. All right, boys and girls, after you finish this work, please send a picture of it to your teachers and show it to your parents and let them know, explain to them how you solved the problem. And we want to see your work too, your fabulous work. And we also want to help you out if you need help as well. So please send us your work and show it to your parents.
And as always, if you are confused or you have any questions, please give us a call or you can email us. We would love to help you.
Okay, boys and girls. So by the end of this week, we told you were going to be able to say, I can add a pair of 2-digit numbers. After you've watched all these videos, after you've done your homework, I believe that you are going to be able to say, I can add a pair of 2-digit numbers. So great job.
All right, and on Friday, we want you to come back and log into your Zern account and complete a lesson. We have assigned each of you a new lesson to work on that goes along with what we worked on this week. So let us know if you need any help or if you need your login information. We hope you have a wonderful rest of the week and a great weekend.
Bye, boys and
Bye.
girls. See you Monday.